Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Calvin. Good morning, Ayo. Good morning, Harry. Alright, it's 2 a.m. Eastern Time now. Good morning, Mr. Trader. Good morning, Anubis Chase. Good morning, Tabo. Did any one of you watch yesterday live stream? Oh, good morning, Ferrari. Good morning, the Party Shirt Trader. Chapman. JJTVN. So yesterday, the trade, I think the last trade I took, I was just left it open because I need to go out for real. I was in a hurry. So I think I set my stop loss to break even. And then, so after the gym, I take a look on my phone. Very funny. It didn't hit my original stop loss, but it hit my break even. It hit my break even and then straight to my TP. So that was a break even trade. Good morning, MMX Emily. Good morning, Wawa. I did manage to get it back after the stream, but I don't like this because like the trades I took after the stream is winning trade. I would say it's kind of invalid to the audience, and it's kind of meaningless, right? I mean, I don't need those money after all. But of course, yeah, I get it back. And I also trade my TPT account. So I can literally show you the so I can show you this data of the account. So it's not like I broke up those account and then I buy a new one to trade again. It's the same account. You can see the P&L. These losing trades are the trades I took on stream. And you can see all the data here. I can also show you the the lower part of it. So it's the chain. The time is my local time. So the same account. And these are the break even, right? The break even. Wow, that trade I hold for 1 hour. That is crazy. So I left it open. But I think my internet got some problems. So yesterday you experienced something like the stream suddenly go down. And I was copy trading with Replicanto. And it was using the local network. So when I was copy trading those 5 accounts, I was out, right? I was going to the gym. After I go back home and check the Replicanto, those 5 accounts only got 4 got stopped out with break even, and still have 1 account is taking trades ongoing. So that account is making more money. So in case you're curious why there's more money. And today I will use TradeSyncer because TradeSyncer is cloud-based, right? I think my internet is still not as stable as before because of the whole Middle East Izu, the war song. So I will change to use Trade Syncer today. And I can also let you see here. Alright. I think I better not showing this, right? Don't hack to my account, okay? Don't hack into my account. Yeah, I got nothing in there. So this is the account that I was talking about. I don't know why the trade was still open. So this one was, the other 4 was break even, but this one got a TP. I don't know, and I don't understand what's going on because I was doing personal training at that time. So this one's got more balance, and the other is 1300. All right. So today I'll be using Chase Syncer for the whole copy trading. And if you want to try it, you can use the code Candy for 10% off. And also you get 7 days free trial. So you can try for 7 days first and see how it goes. So right now we know that, yes, I make it back. I make that off the stream. And it's 1300, right? So our goal for the LUCID challenge, the LUCID funded account was, how much is that? 6,000, right? To take the 3,000 pick out, we have to make 6,000 for 5 days. So right now, 6,000. We still have to make 4,700 in 4 days. So it will be, yeah, pretty much 1,200. So it's the same. The goal is still the same. We need to make 1,200. Plus commission is gonna be 1,200. With NQ, 2 contracts. Our goal for today, the first trade will be 30 points. Alright. How long do you typically stream London for? Well, it depends on my trade performance. And it depends on the audience response. If you like it, then I can stream like a little longer. So yesterday we got a huge expansion, right? It's 30 points on NQ you risk. Not my risk, it's my TP. So I typically risk 15 points for that because I need 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. But yeah, I mean the daily liquidity that I mentioned yesterday was sweep, right? This equal high, this relative equal high, this daily high and this daily high. These 2 key level formed a relative equal high. It got sweep, and also this one and this one. We're fucking bullish. Because you can see that the price didn't even dip into half of this daily FPG, only just a little part with a wick. And we got so many 1 hour breakaway gap down below. Did anyone catch the long? Like, this one was crazy. I saw someone, Lanto, I guess, right? He caught the whole bullish move. Man, that was insane. But I saw the contract size 75. I'm not so sure is that true. Like, I mean, am I seeing it correct? The 75 contract is crazy. I mean, it's like, that is crazy. I think I cannot use 75. I'm 40 to 550. That's my maximum. 75 is kind of, I feel like I can't control that. So he's really amazing. He's an amazing trader. Because like managing that much of a large position size isn't easy. I doubt like a lot of people can't even trade live account, right? They can only trade funded. So, okay. What are we in the middle of the Asia range? Who the fuck called me? What about 50k top step? No, I won't use top step. Like, they are trash. They are just simply trash. If you don't even know what's going on with Project X, you should just do some research first. Which trading session do you prefer? London, for sure. I'm London session trader. Maybe Woodbridge PA. I feel like, well, maybe. But I don't want to blame the market or price action. Even if they were trash PA or even with consolidation, you can actually catch something. Probably not 30 points, I gotta say, maybe 20 points. But yes, catching some of the price one is okay. My trade posted on is amazing. You mean the TPT? It's okay, man. It's not that hard. I mean it. I mean, it's funded account after all. If I make it on my personal account, I would say, oh, I'm doing pretty well. But like, you know, the risk you use on funded account is gonna be different, and the cost is actually it just because I get so much payout from TPT. So basically, I'm risk free on TPT. So if we have to do the math, I'm actually cost nothing for those accounts. So even if I blow up, I didn't lose anything. If you understand this mindset, you will be like very chill when you're in any chase, even for losing trades, losing trade, because those aren't your costs. Those aren't your real costs. What is your bias for London session? Oh, let's make a vote. Let's see. Okay, just create a vote. So what's your bias for London session today? Me, I will choose neutral. So someone just asked what's the difference between breakaway gap and FVG. So FVG is a gap, and breakaway gap is one of the gap. Well, we don't do education here. I almost forgot about it. We don't do education here. You just Google it, okay? Because breakaway gap is actually not an ICT term. It's a technical analysis term. But as I know, ICT have a slightly different definition for the classic technical analysis. But breakaway gap is basically like the gap that no candlestick going back, like no wick, no candle body. But because when I watching like ICT live stream, He did mention some of the breakaway gap while there is a wick touching it. So I feel like he got a little bit different from the technical analysis breakaway gap. But I will use the classic breakaway gap for myself because that is what I learned when I first started trading. We do not do education here, yes. So just Google it. We fuck education, so we don't do education here. But you learn something, I mean. Learn from experience. That is the easiest learning method for me. What was the risk on TPT Che? Just my typical 20 to 30 point stop loss for a New York session. Are you tipsy for real? No, it's actually sober trader now. You guys can drink for me, but so when we get a W, you drink, and when we get L, you drink 2 shots. I'm a little bit sleepy today. I gotta get myself into the condition first. I was thinking after if we get this LUCID account success for this week, then next week we can trade the TPT. I'm not taking those 10k out, 50k. I'm not taking those money out. I just let them there. Because those haters probably think I'm here to prove myself or I'm trying to show winning trades or anything. No. It's the opposite. You're going to come to Thailand? Yeah, I know what that is. Sounds fun. But is that too hard during summer? Because I was thinking I'm going to another country during August here. Because Dubai is 45 degrees Celsius in August. TPT had intraday chart in Jordan. Yes. So all you have to do is... Oh, we don't do education here. Now all you have to do is just get yourself to TP before the retracement even start. So that is how you can beat the whole intraday challenge Jordan. I like TPT a lot because they got daily payouts and it's important to me because sometimes as a beginner, it's so easy to get tilted. So when you're on tilt, no matter how much you made before that, you blow it up. you can see what happened to my LUCID account, right? No matter how much you made before, if you blow up, you blow up. But with TPT, how much I made yesterday, if I took it out all today, then I can do whatever I want with this account. It's completely risk-free. I don't have to wait 5 trading days or 7 trading days. I just get my payout. That's why I focus on how to beat the whole intraday challenge drawdown. I need to figure out a way to beat it. Just like why I focus on trading London session, because for my lifestyle, for my time zone, I can't handle trading non-hours during New York session. So I have to find a way to trade London session and figure out something for the market. And if you have that goal, you can figure out something. This looks like NQ we will chase first. Probably. I want to see if price can sweep this HLO, and after sweeping HLO, what's gonna happen? Because we got a 1 hour average here too. Is it just dip into it and then go up again, or keep dropping? Or probably price don't even touch the HLO, just with some of the sell side liquidity, the minor sell side liquidity, and go up to midnight opening price. So right now I will definitely chasing price and differentiating, no worries. But right now, we still have to wait for at least one setup first before getting differentiate. How long does it take for payout on TPT landing? Depends if you use Wise, PayPal, or bank wire. Gonna be different. If Wise, then I would say 1 business day. Yes, with Asia, no. Yeah, we can see it here. Oh. So we'll see if we got SMT or something. We did create a lot of LLL here in the 1 minute time frame. The stream is okay. I'm not so sure the Wi-Fi. It's okay on my side though. Because you guys didn't hear the connection loss, right? If you hear that thing, then it's probably something happened to my internet. It only happens when you watch here. There's nothing I can do. Now it's ideal to trade NQ in Asia in London session than NY session. I wouldn't say that. Because all of this session got expansion sometime and also accumulation sometimes. You can see that, right? Yesterday we got an expansion in Asia, but today we got accumulation. So it just depends on the market condition. Have you tried my friend the futures? Yes, tried. Too expensive and I don't like the rules. And they banned Hong Kong before. Right now I can trade them because I got another passport and I got UAE ID card also. But I just don't want to do that anymore. I lost the trust with them, so no more MFFU. You don't trade with Apex anymore? I can. You have a different screen for reading your chat. Yes, I got iPad Pro and I got a Samsung tablet, which is 16-inch. So I typically got 5 screens in front of me right now. So my laptop and my main screen, which is 32-inch, and another 27-inch for live streaming. That is something showing, on the stream. So, and 2 tablet. So it's 5 screen. Because I enjoy watching live stream when I trading and after the trade. So I need more device in front of me. It's so fun to watch other people's live stream. Long now? No, I don't want to. It's not good enough, yeah. I don't know, maybe I'm a bit sleepy today. That's the reason I'm not like very excited to get into chase. Seems good to long now. The chat want me to long, huh? We got a wick here with the CB. You got midnight opening price here. You got HLO here. We just create another lower low with this wick. I'll wait a little bit. We just start the stream for 30 minutes. Man. Yesterday I streamed for 3 hours. I'm not hating MFFU. I don't want to use them. I didn't hate them. How long will we be staying in Dubai? No idea. I was thinking before moving here, I was like, let's try 1 to 2 years and see how things goes. If it's good, then I can stay for a little longer. Because I was planning to relocate to London, but everyone from London tell me don't go there. Yeah. Every British tell me don't come to London. What kind of trade copy are you guys using right now? Because today I'm using Trade Syncer. So I can let you guys see the setting. So I only trade NQ, so I only use the NQM contract here. And for the setting, I'm using market execution. So when I copy trades. For example, this is my leader account, right? So if I enter a trade here with bracket order, it won't copy the stop loss TP, but only the execution. I prefer this rather than copying the bracket order. But if you don't like it, you can just toggle it off. And also the follower protection. So in case something happened, like some errors, your leader account closed the position, but the followers didn't. This protection, forward protection, will help you automatically close the positions left. And also you can manually flatten the account if you want here. And I heard some people trade on their phone. Still, they can still use TradingCare because it's cloud-based. I mean web-based, the same thing, right? Should we chase it now? Chat. Is it the time we should chase? Man, I'm commit suicide. Let's chase it, right? Oh, where are my stop loss? Here. Alright, so we're risking because we got SMT, so NQ didn't sweep the Asia low. So I would say like I wouldn't surprise if price eventually go to the Asia low. It's totally possible. So our entry point is 80.5. I need to tighten the stop loss first. It's too large. Okay, I'll put it under this swing low. So it's around 10 points, 10 to 11 points stop loss. I see so many people tell me to long in the chat. I listen to the chat, right? I'm a good live streamer. I accept opinions. But like, what is bad is like, we should just take TP here or even for the Asia high because this is the buy side liquidity. But what we need for this trade is 30 points. So it's slightly above the Asia high, which is not good. Oh, really? I don't want it to end so soon, man. Then what am I gonna do if it is a win? No, don't do that. Alright, so let me take a look on the fold. 30% for bullish, bearish, and neutral. So everyone is different. It's literally 30%, everything. No, I feel like price gonna sweep this Asia high and then go back to my stop loss. That's what we want for every trade, isn't it? The chat is winning, then I'm losing, so I can make content again. I should move to London, right? I think so too. But yeah, I have to figure out the test, how to manage the test first, because the test system is kind of complicated for me. So I need to figure out how to, like, of course I'm gonna pay the test, but like, how to make test efficiency with all those things before going there. We can be fascinated. No, no, no way. But if I go to London, I'm gonna be drinking fucking every day. For sure. Because I got lots of friends in London. Chat, what do you think? Do you think I can get to my TP or price just strip Asia high and go back to my stop loss? Which one? TP? You want TP? Why not go back to Hong Kong if you want to go to London? What kind of question is that? I want to go to London, then why would I go back to Hong Kong? What kind of question is that? Okay, let me check. And yes, because if yes with the Asia high first, we may get another SMT, which is bearish SMT. So right now we did get an SMT with ES, to be honest. Because ES just with swing high. Maybe Charles stop loss to break even once Asia high is hit. Okay, someone suggests me Charles stop loss to break even. What do you think? What happened to me with the break even yesterday? No, today, because this is the first trade. Yesterday was, I think it's fourth or third trade. So, I don't have much buffer left. So it's better trailing stop loss to break even. But right now it's just the first trade for today's session. I got a lot of buffer. So I wouldn't do it now. But like, for example, if I get like 2 to 3 losing trades, I would consider it. I just, with my own risk tolerance, okay? You don't need to do the same with me. You should just try to stop loss to break even. I'm okay to lose and blow up. I'm totally fine. Close the position now? Why? You get out here. Okay, good, good. Chat, remember to take pause, alright? That's what we learned from our past streams. You need to take pause. And I won't. I will just blow up it. Blow it all up. Okay, so party shot shader just got a loan on that. Well, of course, this is definitely not the best entry point, but is it even matter when I'm trading from the account? Like, I just feel like I don't need the best entry point. Break even now? Why everyone want me to break even? You guys really want me to win? You guys so kind. You're a nice person, everyone. I thought you guys want me to lose. Is it a 1 to 3 hour out? Yes. 40 points TP and 10 points stop loss. Yes. Not always 1 to 3. Sometimes I just use 1 to 2. And if I accidentally enter a trade with 1 to 1.5 hour out, I will be like very disappointed for myself. Because sometimes I just didn't have time to do the math. And then like focus on the risk reward ratio. And when I enter, the candlestick already like go far away. So that was like, I will write it in journal that I did make a mistake today. Try to improve it. Don't say ni hao, alright? Because I don't. I, my language isn't Mandarin. It's in Chinese, so don't say it. And actually put it as foul language. Yes, so the bot will time out you if you keep saying that. And just so you know, I still have a giveaway in my Discord ongoing, so it will be ending on Saturday this week. So if anyone want to join, you can just go to my Discord and see the details. If I get a payoff from Lucid, I will host a Lucid giveaway next week, or maybe this week. Let's see. Someone just asked what is breakaway gap, right? These right now are breakaway gap. But if price we chase to it, then this aren't breakaway gap anymore. I should make a vote to see if I will blow up, right? Last time, I think 40% of the people think I will blow up the account. Maybe today, 50%. Oh, nice work. Nice work, nice work. Long work with the BC here. Alright, the rig is gone. The rig is gone. We just got a bearish candle. I will vote for no. Will I blow up today? I will vote for no for myself. What happened to the Discord chat? Because I was planning to close the whole Discord. Actually, because I want to focus on live stream. It was few weeks before. Even before the haters thing, I was planning to close the whole Discord, but like, just left it there. But I'm not gonna be active in the chat, but just left it there. Because it's just too time consuming to focus on like too many things at a time. Yeah, I feel like YouTube is better. All right, so right now 70% said no, and around 30% said yes. Will I blow up today? You had long at 270. 270? Right now we're at 582. You long at 270 yesterday? The last session? Oh my god. You was just you scared me out. 570, so here, right? Okay, price coming back to my entry point. Are we gonna stop? Oh, nice breaker on the 5. Oh yeah, we actually got a breaker and a bullish order block. No, bearish order block. Repeat this one. Also a 5-minute order block. Have you ever tried trading options? Yes, but I'm not good at it. I make some money, but like I don't know what's really going on. And I feel like I didn't use it the right way because usually people trade options with like a strategy, and I was just got myself some. I'm not doing both sides. I'm not hedging. Boring. I feel so. It's boring right now. I mean, if I get this stop out, then it will be fun. Because it's still stuck inside here, so it's boring. We need something to stimulate the whole live stream. You put your stop loss below 211. 211, where is that? This one here. So you got stop out. I didn't even bother to move the stop loss or what. I actually wanted to hit my stop loss. You know what? If you trade London session alone, it would be fucking boring. You can see how price moved. Like, man, it's been, I don't even know, 30 minutes right now, 20 minutes. Just move a little bit for 20 minutes. Go to DAX. Everyone tell me to go to DAX. All right, let me take a look on ES. ES created a equal high and also didn't sweep the Asia high. But like that equal high is actually a bearish SMT with this high compared to these two. But why are you guys watching NQ stream but trade that? Entertainment. You're right. You're right. That's why everyone's saying don't move to London. Yeah, it's boring, but I like it. I don't know how to describe the whole thing, but I just like the vibe, the London session vibe. I think I've been trading London session since 2022. And I made my median payout with London session. So yeah, London session is totally can be a profitable session. Boring equal to can live longer and not get. I don't have that problem. I don't have to worry about hair loss. But actually today I don't have to go to gym. So if you want, I can stream until New York AM session. I mean it. Or maybe pre-NY. Do you ever use FP? You mean the first presented FPG? No, I don't use it in London. Or I just log into linear trader in case some of you want to see it. I don't want to block the price. But today I'm using Chasing or Copy Chase because of my internet. I want to make sure if my internet goes down, you know, the chase is still ongoing, the copy chase, everything's great. Now it should go for a TP. It's hard to tell. But like this inversion still holding price. I would say it's gonna go to this high and Asia high, but not necessarily have to go to my TP because this level isn't a great level. It's not good enough. Okay, we got another key level on 13 here. I think. Can we do it here? So if price go to this one, this key level, then yeah, my TP may be safe. But then it's not fun. If I get the win, if I get a W in my first trade, then what's the point of doing live stream? I can just trade on my own. Research that if you draw a magnet where your TP is really? Let me do so. Can I put this one inside? Can you see it? Put it on the Asia high. Are you coming to me? I put a money bet here. Okay, Asia high sweep. Chat, take parcel. Remember take parcel? We talk about this, right? Oh, it's work. I just put a money bet there and then price goes straight to the Asia high. Chat, take parcel, everyone. I'm not taking parcel. We're doing entertainment stream, so we are not gonna take parcel. Chat, if you take parcel, you're getting W, okay? You're getting W on your first trade. W for the chat. Probably L for me. I told you so, research levelize. Okay, what kind of research did you get? Crazy, the emoji. That is crazy. I really just put the money bet emoji and then we got a bullish candle there. That is crazy. Okay, I like this emoji strategy. I've never used that before. Okay, chat is getting W, right? Awesome. You know, I want you guys to win. I'm okay if whatever happened to me, but I want you guys to win. For real. It hurts watching you not take the money. That's the funnest part here. Imagine if the price goes to there and then straight to my stop loss. That is the content I want. Put more money emoji. Okay, I need to put the money bet up there, right? Okay, I'll move it here. Come on. Is it better? I just moved the money back. I feel like it's going. Oh, it just hit. I didn't even notice it. Alright. So it hit. Oh my god. Chat. How on earth is this kind of thing happens? Why? Why am I gonna make the win on my first trade, on my first attempt? What am I gonna do for the... I'm just stream only for 1 hour. You want me to close the stream? Money back strategy? Or you can take a look on... This is... Yo. This is the chase sinker today we got. Alright. Also, like, it's like... Oh, because I chose market execution. So it's around 1150 for each. So it's 2500 for each account. Okay, price keep going. Keep going. Hit the high. Whoever suggests the money back strategy, the emoji strategy, you know, we have to give him a huge respect because this works. Today's best strategy is the emoji strategy. Open a new account. I still got other accounts. I can trade a TBT if you want. Great trade. Appreciate it, but I'm not so sure if that's what I want right now. London wanted some green candles today. I would say like I didn't make a good decision for not taking stop loss to break even, because if I do so, it will be stop out and then go to my TP. Money bet in the chat. That is great. That is awesome. So how much do we need to make tomorrow? Because our goal is 6,000 for this week, right? In order to take a 3,000 payout. Sorry, I need to use calculator. So 3,500 for the rest of the 3 days. Yeah, okay. So just still 30 points each. Nice win, right? Nice win. Yeah. Oh, it's pretty good. I mean, it's been a long time since I used like TradeSyncer. Oh, it's a lot better than I thought. I mean, because when I first using TradeSyncer, it was just published, so there's some bugs and some features still in beta, but right now it's quite good. I mean, it didn't get any errors. Okay, I like it. It's a lot better than I thought. Can go to gym now. I don't have to go to gym today. Man, I was thinking maybe I can stream 6 hours today. Yeah, you use TradeSyncer too. Yeah, pretty good. Quite good, quite good. But to be honest, for those who take partial, will you regret taking partial since price go to the daily high? Like previous, not even previous, it's like February daily high. We're now into a daily volume imbalance. Just buy some accounts. Okay, I can buy some. What do you want me to buy? But I already got 5 Tradify funded, 5 LUCID funded, and 5 TBT Pro. So what else do you want me? Oh, I still got 5 TBT eval that is ongoing because I want to get more bet up on TBT. Trading pit. I think I take a look on it, but like the rules, I'll study it a little bit. This is probably the low of the day. Oh, it's highly likely, right? You know what? I'm not very familiar with this feeling because we've been borrowing up for a few days, few streams. And now suddenly we gotta win. I kind of feeling weird for the whole thing. Have you ever tried alpha futures? No. And someone actually took my Coke. Someone took my Coke candy and act like they are accidentally taking it. This is the funniest part, you know. That hater said that because his Coke was taken, so he just trying to get another Coke. And that is my Coke? Wow, funny. Okay, fans, chat, appreciate you. Appreciate for the W. W for the chat. You know, you guys have to win. That's the goal, for you to win. Not for me, not for me. So if you enjoy the W, please click the like button so you can help this channel goes and, appear on more people's homepage. Well, since we already move a lot, I would say there's nothing else I would do right now. I mean, we're so fucking bullish. I'm not gonna shock here. I mean, I'm not even getting losing trade, so why am I short here? You're late, but you're still holding yesterday trade? I thought you have today trade? Or you can switch. Derek, thank you, Derek, for coming. Can you briefly summarize why you took the trade? I was actually waiting for Asia low sweep, but we didn't get it on NQ, but get it on ES, so we got an SMT. And thanks to the chat, to be honest, I didn't really get notice on it because I didn't focus on ES a lot. So the chat just alert me that we got a SMT with ES. So okay, we just wait a little bit with this IFVG and then enter here. But yeah, of course, if you enter with the SMT with ES, so you can enter here, that will be like the best entry point. So I'm a little bit too late, but it is what it is, right? So an Asia got accumulation is a lot easier for London. But if it's the opposite, Asia expansion, London session will be the choppy, the barcode price session. Alright, chat, that's it for today. I mean, I got nothing to do right now. See, we need some losing trades to make a longer stream. But today's great. Too good. Too good for me. I hope all of you did make money. Though I always said don't copy my trade, but I hope you make money based on your own decision, not financial advice. And I hope you can get payout with whatever performance you're trading with. And right now, I still need 3 more winning trades, 3 more winning days for the LUCID account, this LUCID account, this brand new LUCID fund account. So tomorrow, come back and see if I blow up these accounts, or I can hold it until Friday and get a payout. Day 3 watching my stream, right? Thank you for coming. Thank you for spending your time with me. I'll see you all tomorrow at 2 a.m. Eastern Time.